everybody, welcome to another video. This one we're looking at the Autodesk Fusion 360, the interface. Okay, so on my video here you can see if we take a look here, the first thing we're going to discuss is we're going to look at the data panel. So the data panel is right here. Okay, if I click on the data panel, it expands, and in this data panel is we have our project folders where we save our projects. Then we can go inside these project folders and we may have some folders inside of other folders, okay, sort of for the file structure. And then here you can see I've got some files that I've been working on in my sheet metal parts, so we can close that down. And then the next one we're going to get into is the quick access toolbar. Okay, and you'll find that right here next to the data panel. If you have that open, you'll still have access for the access toolbar, right? But with this you can come in here and you've got open, close, you can new from design, you've got all your imports I should say, and then we have some other stuff here. We've got 3D print, and then we have the 3D print I want to set up for my 3D printer and play around with, so that's one of the reasons why I've got that. And there's some other tabs down here. The best way to get through this interface is to just click on everything, feel around, and sort of feel where it's at. So after that, if we go down here, I'm going to open up a sheet metal part here, okay, because we're going to open this up and it opens our graphics window, and you can see here's our part. Here we've got the ribbons and drop downs, stuff like that. Down here is where we've got our timeline. Our timeline keeps track of where we are in the model, okay, and so you can go through the timeline and drag back to where you want to go, and it'll show you all the parts and files and stuff in there, and shows you how you went about designing and building it. Okay, from here we now have the display controls. So this is where you can orbit, zoom, fit to zoom, that sort of functionality in there in the display controls. Okay, up above here we have the tabs. So every time I have a new drawing, I've got another tab open somewhere else. So that's where we have the plus tab, maybe have a couple of files open, stuff like that. Here we have the ribbon bar where you've got create offset planes, all that sort of constraints and constructions tools. Over there this is our view cube. You can view everything. Click on the corner and it'll move it around. Click on this and it'll give you a different view. Okay, now the other section here is if I go on this ribbon, I can do modify, and we've got all different tools in there for all the different applications that we open. Okay, so fillet, chamfer, the general CAD stuff. Then we have assembly. We got joints here. If you're a SolidWorks user, you're probably used to hearing the word mates. So these are how you build your assemblies. Inspection tools. I think that just about covers it. Oh, we've got the browser, right? So in the browser we've it's where you can keep all your, you've got folders, file structures, the design, information, features, work features, and folders in there. Okay, and you'll find that all in that tree, the browser tree there. Okay, as you can see, as I expand them, open and close them, if we expand that one, we got the body, and then we got all the sketches and all the features that were part of that one. And same as if I drop down to the other part that I created. Alright, I believe, and of course you've got the help button as well, which is over in the far corner here. Preferences, actually,